In this video, I'm going to show you how to invest in ETF on Trade Republic. Now, the first thing I have to tell you is that I am not a financial advisor. I'm just going to show you how to basically get to where you can invest into ETFs, but of course, do your own prior research before actually investing anything, okay? So let me show you. Now, the first thing you want to do up top, you want to switch to the Wealth tab, which is at the top left, and then inside Wealth, you want to tap on Orders over here. And then when you see Orders here, you want to go to Add at the bottom. And then from the ad, you want to go ahead and where it says browse, tap on stocks, ETFs, and crypto, or whatever it says for you, just tap on that. And then there we go. In here, you'll be able to browse different things. Now, if you scroll down a bit, here you can see ETFs. Now, if you tap on ETFs, so the title, you'll be able to see a bunch of different ETFs over here. There's like 1,300 of them and more. And as you can see, you can go ahead and just select the one you want to go for. So I'm just going to select a random one over here for this tutorial, but of course, do your own prior research, as I told you earlier. Then simply tap on that, and then from here you'll be able to see the charts and then the key stats, price alerts, abouts, etc. And then at the bottom right, whenever you're ready, you can just tap on the buy button. And from here, you'll be able to select how much you want to invest. So for example, you have a bunch of different presets, but if you tap on those three dots at the bottom right, you'll be able to set your custom amount. So for example, if I want to do 10 euros over here, it's going to show me how many shares I will get. So in my case, it's 0.084. And then I can just go ahead and tap on next. And then over here, you'll be able to see kind of your summary. And when you are ready, and if everything looks good, you can just go ahead and tap on buy at the bottom right, and you've successfully invested in an ETF. So that's how easy it is to do it. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own research, and of course, go ahead and pick the ones that you want. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.